Alrighty, here we go. Gonna do a quick opening of the Premium Audio Cables, 3.5 male-to-male stereo aux cable, specially designed for mobile devices. You can see right there, and it's by SENTEY. Nice packaging. Premium, 3 feet long. Let's see what we've got here. When in doubt, pull everything apart. So, take off the little tabs. Well, they're definitely braided. Really nice braiding, as you can see in there. See, the tips have little tiny, I don't know if you can see, they have little tiny flat grip areas for your fingers. Gold plated, labeled nicely. Both ends. Keeps this stuff from being tangle free. And let's see, let's grab the Flow headphones from yesterday. Nice. No holes. Pull on it well enough. Twisty turny. Really nice cables. I've loved high quality cables since like companies like Monster and stuff came out. It's really nice to see. I love the braided cables. Very important. Helps keep them kink free. Also helps with abrasions when rubbing like on jeans or backpacks. These are designed, this cable says that it's designed for mobile devices. Hooking up your phone or MP3 player to a set of speakers, or even to an input jack of your home theater or TV. So, highly liked by Frank. Really love those grips, and right in there, really nice. Gonna have less of a kinking issue. But like with anything, if you abuse it, they will break. Really nice. And it's more of a fabric than like a plastic sheathing. So it is a real braided line covering. So with that, we will go put these to good use. I'm actually going to use them, and I'll show you what I'll use mine for in 1 second. Now I've gone ahead and pulled a couple of pieces that I normally work with, and just to show you the difference, really inexpensive connector that I have just sitting around. You can see the difference between the connectors, and this is a harder plastic, or this is more of just a grippy rubberized. So you can see the connectors themselves, the step downs, the gold plating versus just the silver. So with that, we'll set that off to the side. And here's another, this is another company, this is a quality, but I just wanted to compare. You can see the grip, these are round, these are just round. The step downs are a little different. And again, this has got the grips, this is round, this is metal, so this is nice. And the rubberized, but you can see it's not braided. And this is a really long, I think this is like 10 or 12 feet. And this is how I use my interconnectors, and how I'm going to use this is when I'm recording video, plug into the mic, as you can see. Really solid connection. Now this is my Canon. And what I'll do is I normally use my zoom, and I will go the output line out. So I use this as my external microphone, but also I will use it as a leveler. I'll plug a mic into here, boom mic or a directional mic into here, like so, and then the mic out, line out into the mic in there. What this does is it gives me a audio backup to the video being shot in case I just need to pull the audio or I need it leveled so that it's HD. This is a really great recorder for doing interviews and stuff. And the connection from here to here is super important, and that's why having, you know, a nice connector is so vital. You're doing an interview, it'd be murder to say, hey, I didn't get that, or that sounded really garbled, can we do it again? So, you know, there it is, really nice into the Canon, really nice connection into my zoom. So again, go grab them. These are the premium audio cables, 3 feet long by SENTEY, and there's the model number, LS6620. And I appreciate you watching the video, and hope that helped you out with your purchasing of the cables. So talk to you later.